Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about jogging, what it means to jog. What is the correct way of jogging and its benefits? The word jogging sometimes gets a bad rap in the running world. It's become a word that means something less serious than running. To estimate the amount of energy the body uses during physical activity, scientists use a unit that measures the metabolic equivalent for task. The main purpose of jogging is to maintain your tempo without causing much strain to the body. A jog is basically a run at an easy or recovery pace, or, for those who don't care about paces at all, an easy, casual run. Most experts would agree that jogging falls in the low or moderate intensity workout category. Here are 5 benefits of jogging. 1. Jogging helps you maintain a healthy weight. Cardio is great for initial weight loss because it engages so many muscles simultaneously that it jacks up your energy needs and, consequently, your calorie burn. Jogging burns more calories than walking. 2. Jogging strengthens your immune system. There's this myth that exercise wears you down and makes you more susceptible to getting sick, but moderate exercise, like jogging, actually strengthens your body's response to illness, according to some researches. Longer, more intense exercise has actually been shown to inhibit the process your body uses to protect itself from infections. 3. Develops muscles. Jogging helps your body become more toned. It works on the large muscles and develops them. It is great for the hamstrings, calf, gluteal muscles, etc. 4. Keeps the mind healthy. Jogging plays a major role in improving the mental health of the person. When you jog, your body releases hormones called endorphins that help lift your spirit and make you feel positive about yourself. And that is why you feel calm and rejuvenated after jogging. 5. Good for the heart. Jogging is an excellent cardiovascular workout that boosts the health of your heart. It helps to keep heart problems and diseases at bay. Jogging ensures that blood is pumped faster to the heart and, thus, maintains blood pressure. Cholesterol and blood glucose levels are also under control. Reasons why jogging is good for you. Jogging is a complete workout and also serves to prepare the body for an intense workout and other physical activities. You would be surprised to know that jogging does much more for your body than just helping with weight loss. It helps to build endurance and stamina in the body without being too harsh. It strengthens the muscles and bones and also keeps the heart and mind healthy. What is the correct way of jogging? Warm-up and stretching is a must. This prepares your body for jogging. Light stretches to cool down at the end are also necessary. Always start slow. Begin with walking. You may progress to brisk walking for about 30 minutes every day. Once you fall in rhythm, then you can begin jogging for short intervals. Once your body is accustomed, you can increase the duration of your jogging sessions gradually. Always carry a water bottle with you and stay hydrated. Avoid very hard or loose surfaces like roads and sand for running. Dress appropriately in cotton clothes. Wear proper jogging or running shoes that shouldn't be too tight. Early mornings or evenings are the best time for jogging. Rest is vital. Ensure that your body gets at least 2 days of proper rest during the week. I think we can all agree that getting outside to move your body is a good time. If it wasn't, none of us would be doing it. Thank you for watching this video.